Hey everybody.
Hello.
So it's a rainy day today. We're not going anywhere, so we're gonna do a home vlog. I'm gonna make something yummy in the crock pot, and we're also gonna announce the winner of our t-shirt
giveaway.
Old Smoky. It's right here.
Sorry it took so long. Sorry it took so long for us to give the results, but
yes, but
we've been busy.
So stay tuned,
and we will let you know the winner.
Woohoo! We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV. Hey everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to a home vlog. So today the weather is not great out here in East Tennessee.
Nope.
So we're gonna stay in. I found a recipe on TikTok. It is for boneless pork ribs that you cook in the crock pot. So figure since we're gonna be stuck home all day, we'll give it a try. I don't know how if they're gonna be good or not. Never had them, never made them, but we do love a crock pot in the RV because it doesn't use a lot of amps, and in the RV we only have so many available to us. So for me cooking is always in stages because I can't have so many appliances on at once. But the crock pot's great. It doesn't use a lot of amps at all, and it's pretty easy. So let's see how this recipe goes. Can we just get right into it?
Let's do it.
Okay. Alright, so here I have the pork ribs. It's probably like 1.5 pounds.
Boneless.
Yeah. And I cleaned them up a little bit. They do have a good amount of fat, which I guess will equal flavor. I'm hoping. And so we have some brown sugar, some hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce that we're going to use.
Sweet Baby Ray's.
And then this is my favorite barbecue rub. I love it. I put it on so many different kinds of meats. It's got a lot of flavor, no sugar. So pretty good. And then we're going to do one small, finely chopped sweet onion.
I'm excited. This is like something that you never make. Yeah. So
we'll see how it goes.
The recipe on TikTok looks really good.
Yeah.
So
I'm more of a measure with my heart kind of girl.
Yeah.
So I'm going to kind of guesstimate what I want to use here with the brown sugar. I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup. Sprinkle that on in there. And then we're going to do, you know what, let me get my extra counter out that I like to use. We don't have a lot of space in the RV. So I like to use my cutting board to give me a little more counter space. Alright, do a good sprinkle of this barbecue rub.
Erin had to get some gloves.
Yeah, now they got the seasoning on there. I'm just gonna kind of massage it in. Trying to kind of get them coated before I add some barbecue sauce.
Erin's hands are messy. I'm squirting the barbecue. Tell me when.
That's probably good.
You got a messy job.
Yeah. So I have my crock pot set on high. I'm gonna go ahead and dump these ribs in. I know that it smells good already. Just gonna kind of even them out on the bottom. Trying to kind of get one layer as much as possible, and then we're gonna go ahead and just dump the onions on top. Again, this is the recipe that I found on TikTok, and she put Worcestershire sauce on top.
What did you call this in the video?
Wish my chest was bigger sauce.
Wish my chest was bigger sauce.
But she says it like really funny. I have to try to find the link. But yeah, it was pretty funny. Okay, and then so some Worcestershire, a little more seasoning on top of the onions, and then a little more barbecue sauce.
Yes, looks so good.
All right, and then you just pop the lid on for 6 hours.
Set it and forget it.
And I'm gonna make probably some like baked potatoes or mashed potatoes or something. We got a bag of potatoes, so I'm gonna do some with potatoes as
You don't want to put potatoes in the crock pot?
No. Okay. Not with the ribs. I don't want it to. The ribs taste like potatoes.
So you cooked it
Maybe if it was like a roast or something, I would do that. But
okay, so on high for 6 hours. Ooh, it's 2 o'clock already.
Yeah. We're gonna eat late.
8 o'clock. Shocker. We always eat late.
It took me a while to clean up the kitchen beforehand because I made some food last night and didn't clean it up, so I had to do that this morning.
Cause you're nasty.
Yeah, lazy. But we'll see how they turn out, and we will definitely let you know. So stay tuned.
You gonna say hi to the pups?
They're lazy.
Hi, Cones. You being a good boy? You just chilling? Yeah, you're such a good boy. You smell those ribs? You want some ribs? Is he not the most handsomest baby ever? Yes, you are. Here's the other one laying in his bed. Hi, Dickory. You guys never perform for the camera. Ever. You all are probably like, your dogs are so lazy.
No, they do cute stuff. As soon as we go to film them, they always like stop right away.
Yeah, right, Codes? Give me 5. Good boy. Yes, you are. Time for a snack.
Yeah, we still have about 4 hours left until our ribs we made in the crock pot are ready. So I decided to make a little charcuterie board. Kim is working on a video currently, so she needed some brain food. I just got some salami, sliced up some Swiss cheese, mozzarella cheese, crackers, and then some pimento cheese because I'm obsessed. Honey mustard, boar's head, my favorite. And then this is like my secret sauce. Love it for like everything, vegetables, dipping, sandwiches. I mixed it with my mayo for my sandwiches. It's so freaking good. And then some wicked pickles, which are like, if you're a pickle person, these are the best pickles. They have a bunch of different varieties and cuts and stuff, and they're literally my favorite pickle.
This is the yucky weather we got going on today. Zachary, you gotta go pee-pee? Oh, I'm surprised it's going out in the rain. You can barely see the mountains. The other day it was so cloudy you couldn't see them at all. We haven't had really good weather since we've been back. But hopefully it gets better. Okay. You feel better now? Is our dinner ready, ma'am?
What?
Is our dinner ready?
I hope so.
Well, does it look it?
Yeah, actually I would say, what time is it now? Around 7. We noticed the crock pot was like simmering quite a bit. So I did turn it down on low for a little while, and then I turned it on warm because we didn't want it to get overcooked. I did check one. Came open to the lid. So I did check one. So I don't know if maybe mine were thinner than the girl in the video that I saw or what, but I hope they're gonna be good.
So we did it for about like 5 hours on high and then on low for the next hour?
Not even an hour, yeah, probably like a half an hour if that.
And you made baked potatoes?
I did. Woo! Alright, so show them what it looks like.
Ooh. I hope it's yummy. We got some cheese and butter for the baked potatoes. Yes. But you cooked them in the air fryer?
I put them in the microwave first I soaked them in water and then cleaned them off, and then I pierced them with a fork all the way around, put them in the microwave for 9 minutes, and then I rubbed avocado oil on the skin with some salt, and then finished them off in the air fryer for a few minutes before.
Ooh, look at your outfit, girl. Under the sea. This looks fantastic, Erin. Thank you.
It's so hot, like the steam coming off.
Yeah, I think we should wait a minute before we eat it. But it looks so good.
And I didn't make a vegetable because I didn't want to use another appliance or wait any longer. So
Erin, I need some green veggies in my life.
I was gonna make broccoli and I was like, nope, I'm hungry now. Alright, Kim's giving it the first taste test.
A little potato, a little bit of meat, a little bit of sauce.
I did bring extra barbecue if you want it. No, you missed your mouth.
That's excellent. The sauce is like sweet from that brown sugar.
Yeah.
It's good. It's nice and tender. It's like fall apart. The crock pot is great. It makes everything so tender.
I would feel like they didn't really say like very rib-like. They kind of broke off, but
because I'm
not mad about that. Yeah.
This is boneless pork ribs, spare ribs.
But it looks good.
And it was only like $6 and change from the store.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of meat, and there's still a lot left in there, right?
Yeah, a decent amount. But yeah.
But good.
And it's super easy.
Thanks, Erin.
I'm gonna try it now. You're welcome. Alright, I got my bite. I hope I don't burn my mouth. No. That's really good. I'm happy. Yeah.
As long as she doesn't get a fatty piece, she's happy. It is a little bit fatty, but the fat gives it the flavor. Yum. Somebody's jealous over there. That was so amazing.
Came out really good.
And we're playing Mario Party. This is what we do, guys. We live in an RV and we play Mario Party.
When it's raining.
When it's raining, yeah. This is not for you.
He wants it so bad.
This is not for you.
Definitely not.
He's like, Mama, just give me that little bit of fat on your plate.
Nope.
Please, Mama.
I cooked
Please,
this
Mama.
with onions, sir.
I'll give you a paw, Mama. I'll give you a paw.
No ribs for you.
Please, Mama.
Sorry.
Please, Mama. I'll be a good boy.
I'm sorry.
I'll be a good boy, Mama. I'll be a good boy. Kimberly was a good girl and did all the dishes since I made dinner.
Not all of them.
Well-
The hot water heater's got to heat back up.
Yeah. But now she's making some coffee. I'm excited. Decaf or regular? What'd you do? What'd you pick?
We don't have any decaf.
Oh, so.
It's 9:20 at night.
Is it regular?
Drinking regular.
I mean, it's not one of the flavored ones.
No.
Oh, gotcha.
Kroger coffee.
It's so good. What's the roast again? Medium roast? Select
Medium
blend?
roast, select blend, and this is really
good. We've like every time we're making it, we're like, this coffee's so good. We usually have some Aldi coffee, but
Well, we got some
Snickers. You pour the coffee over the coffee grounds, and hopefully it makes yummy coffee.
hopefully.
Yeah. Yeah. Cody, you want some coffee? You need some coffee, Code? What about Zachary? You want some coffee? You're so cute, baby. You're so cute. You're cute too. Erin, what happened to your knee? What did you do outside just now, Erin? I was walking Cody and I slipped in some wetness and ripped my knee up. You're a klutz. I am. Shouldn't go walking in the dark either. In the rain. In the rain. But when your dog's gotta poop, your dog's gotta poop. It's been raining all day. Cody was finally like, I gotta go. Yeah. I don't suggest. And also wearing slippery Crocs. Can you be careful next time? Yes. Guess what time it is? T-shirt giveaway announcement winner time. Alright, Kim found an app on her phone. So it's going to generate a random winner for us to make it as fair as possible. So this is the link to the video. It's now copied in there. We're going to filter out duplicate users. Alrighty, the comments are going in. 208 comments. And this is the winner, guys. Scott Rinks. Scott Rinks. Love watching your videos. Oh yeah, I wear a 2X. Perfect, Scott. Perfect. It's here for you. Congratulations. Yes. Thank you guys so much for all the comments and watching and following along with us. It really means so much. Yes. Like it blows. I'm getting goosebumps talking about it. It blows our mind that you all enjoy what we're doing and just sharing our lives with you. So thank you so much. And so, congratulations, Scott. Contact us. Yeah, you can either get the email off of the our webpage or Facebook Messenger, Instagram would probably be the best because we're constantly on our social media. Yeah. So yeah, so just contact us. We'll get your information and get your shirt and your stickers out to you. I am so full. That dinner was good. It was good. I want to try to make it again now that I've made it once. Give it another try. Or something else in the crock pot because that is too easy. But we had a great night staying in with the weather. Congratulations again, Scott. We're so excited that we just finished our first giveaway. So stay tuned. We'll definitely try to do more of those. So yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us tonight. Hope you guys had a great evening. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Good night, y'all.